So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a group discussion topic within the D2L Brightspace learning management system. The first step is going to be over here in the communications tab to click that. And then you'll see this drop down menu. The first thing that we're going to hit, since it's a discussion post, is this discussions tab. That's going to take us here where we will first have to create a new forum. So I will click this new button, new forum. Now, I want weekly discussions for every week in the course. So I'm going to name this topic or forum weekly discussion posts. Then I will just type a quick description. Type your answers to the following week's discussion. Then I'll hit save and close. So now that forum is in there for students. Now I actually need to go back in and add the topic. So I'll click new again, click new topic. I want this to be the week number 1 discussion. I also want to make sure that this is in my existing forum that I just created. So I'll choose an existing forum, and I want it to be under the weekly discussion posts forum. So I'll click apply changes. Now I do want this to be graded. So I want this to be out of 10 points, for example. And since I've already set up my electronic grade book, what I can do is click this button right here and edit or link to existing. This way I can link to an existing grade item. And I do want it to be the week 1 discussion grade. So I'll click that, hit OK, and I will hit save and close. Now, just like that, I have my week 1 discussion under my weekly discussion posts forum. So I will show you what it looks like for students here in just 1 second. So from a student's perspective, I will see this screen at the home page. You can tell I'm impersonating the demo student here, but I'm going to click the communication tab as well, and then once again select discussions. If I do that, I will see my weekly discussion post forum with that week 1 discussion tab right there, which I can click, and I'm able to create a thread under that topic in the discussion forum.